Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick gift or, words to put on your fun watercolors. So this is just something you can do with your watercolors that you've made. Okay, so right now I wrote on the picture what I wanted it to look like, just as a template, and now I'm writing out the words that I want on it, and just as a practice write. I'm using the Faber-Castell markers. I love them. They're great.
Or maybe I should just glue those on. They look pretty good. I had it backwards. That's kind of funny. I found this crafter's tape at Walmart. It's perfect for this. It's double-sided. We have finished our lovely picture. I just took the back, traced around it, cut it out, and still see that there is some pencil line even. Okay, so I noticed that there's some gaps here, and sometimes it doesn't look as clean as so this is our problem. Problem spots. So if my dad was here, he would just say, take a small nail, pound it in right there, hold it down, because he's a framer and that's the way to properly do it. You use what you got. I think we did it. See, Dad? You don't always need little nails. Some people have pins, which are basically little nails. So, okay, there we go. There's our quick, easy watercolor with a quote. I think it's a good birthday present to give, or you could give it, use a different quote, Valentine's Day, all sorts of things. Christmas is coming up. You can do a Christmas one. And I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it. Stay tuned to make more fun things with me.